How to withdraw money from SweatCoin. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can withdraw money from SweatCoin. So if you're also looking on how you can withdraw money from SweatCoin, in this video we are going to see can we withdraw money from the SweatCoin. So let's just get started and look forward and find out if we can withdraw money from the SweatCoin or not. So let's just get started. First thing, you need to have the SweatCoin application downloaded on your device, and if it is already downloaded, you can simply log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be seeing this kind of interface on your screen with all of your steps and your daily goals and different settings available, different options available on your screen. So here, at the top right corner, you will be finding the money, your balance right there. So when you click over there, if you have any balance, you will be finding all of your balance right here. So in order to withdraw money, we unfortunately don't have the money withdrawing from the SweatCoin application, but what we can do is spend the money within itself, the app. For that, when you reach over to this balance tab, we can find spend SweatCoins and claim bonuses section. So if you already have some balance and you want to spend it from this application, you will be finding you can go ahead and tap on the spend SweatCoins, and you will be reaching to the shop section where you will be finding different kind of offers available. So you can use up the balance within the app for these options like, this one, 10% off on Ringier, 50% off on mental health coaching. You can use up those balances like this. Also, there are different options available like 10% off on PC, Xbox, different kind of various good offers available. So you can look out for those offers in the SweatCoin application and spend it with the app. So for now, that is it. That's how you withdraw money, or let's say spend the money from the SweatCoin. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.